Okay. Now let me just discuss with you a little bit, then you can come to your query. You will be having a lot of difficulties obviously because we had a long break, right? And in this time you managed to complete your entire syllabus which is there. Yes, Anangshu, you can do that. Now listen, all of you. First of all, for your term 1 exam, as much portion has been done before the puja vacation. From there, the syllabus till that portion I have given in your exam question. Okay, so like one chapter we have not completed, that is punctuation and capital letters. And I thought that for an MCQ patterned question, that punctuation and capital letters chapter, there will not be any appropriate questions from there. So I have left that chapter. I have not given it in your exam. Apart from that, whatever we have done before the puja vacation, all the chapters are important. This will be again an MCQ exam, so no writing portion will be coming. It will be an MCQ exam on 50 marks. Okay, 50 marks, so a bit of time will be there. The time which will be provided to you will be more than enough. Previous exam you got 20 minutes for writing a 20 marks exam. So expect to get at least 50 minutes, which I think will not be required also because it is an English exam and you don't have to do any calculation like you do in mathematics or physics exam. Right? My voice is not clear. Hello? Wait. So, in this exam, what you will be concentrating on is that you don't have to write anything, you don't have to write answers. So, instead of memorizing the exercise question answers, concentrate on all the exam things which are given from inside the book. Okay, all the things which are given inside the book, that means all the chapters. Now it is okay? It's cracking frequently. Please work with it. Meanings also, study it from inside the book. From inside the meanings. For grammar, questions will be coming based on the topics which are given in the book. The sentences obviously will not be coming from inside the book. It will be changed. Maybe one or two fill in the blanks might be coming from inside the book, but the questions will obviously be from your syllabus. Yes. Now, I have, since you are in class 8 and you are not getting any comprehension passage or anything, I have tried to give you just 4 marks question. Fill in the blanks, gap filling exercise, something similar to what you will be doing in the board exam. Okay, so like normal passage will be given where 4 gaps will be there. You just have to match it with the appropriate words. I think most of you will be able to do it very easily. So like in a comprehension passage, you have to have some kind of outside knowledge. That means those of you who have better vocabulary, they are able to score more in comprehension passages which come in your exams, unseen passages. But I did not have any scope for giving a comprehension passage since there isn't enough marks given. So just 4 marks I have given, which is directly not related to your syllabus, but it's very easy. All of you will be able to do that. Apart from that, all the things have been given from the literature section and the grammar section. Okay, and the questions from inside the book, that is from the literature section. When you will have your term 1 exam will be decided by the management and conveyed to you as fast as possible. So don't worry about it. You just concentrate on studying the portion which is there in your syllabus properly for all the different subjects. Okay, and example of that. Just a simple sentence, you can say any kind of sentence, and fill in the blanks will be there in the sentence. One gap will be there. You just have to fill it with the perfect word. Okay, because you are in class 8, you should start practicing things of give you some idea. Idea of what? Which one you are saying? Like, take out your book, page number 167. Take out your book, page number 167. Okay. Yeah, options will be given. 4 options. For all the question answers, the options will be given. Come to page number, just get an idea of it. I'm giving you page number, or say page number 166 in your grammar book. Take it out. Look at the question which is given of the exercise of the passage number B, question number 5, Roman 5. See, a fill in the blanks with appropriate words is given. Now, in this, there is no option given, but similar kind of fill in the blanks which will be given, but 4 options will be given against each blank. Okay. You will just be clicking the answer. You don't have to write the answer. You just have to click on the right option. Just that, nothing else. Okay. Understood? You don't have to write any answer. There wouldn't be any scope for doing any kind of writing. It will be an MCQ type question. I'm telling you again and again because some of you are not listening properly. 50 marks MCQ questions will be there from inside the syllabus itself. Okay. Now, did you see those who were asking? I think Ishita was asking, or Neshad was also asking me. Take out page number 166 in your grammar book. Look at the passage number B, question number 5, Roman 5. There you see one kind of fill in the blanks is given. Here you have to fill up the blanks using words from the passage, right? But in your exam, similar kind of fill in the blanks will be given, but options will be given against each blank and you have to identify which word will come properly. I don't know when the exam will be held, on Angshu. Okay, I don't know. It has not been decided yet. The moment it is decided, the students will be the first to know. Okay, the management will let you know in the school website. So don't worry about it. My responsibility is to maybe more than 1 week, because so soon all the things might not be arranged properly and you will be notified before that. Okay. And I'm sure that just now if I give you the question paper, most of you will score very good marks. At least 45 marks all of you will be scoring, even if I give you the question paper right now. Okay, I think that all of you have understood the chapters which has been done and the stories which has been done, and from inside the book also in the stories you will have to remember what you have already studied. Study the entire chapter properly instead of concentrating on memorizing answers, because it's an MCQ exam, so objective questions will be coming from inside the book. Okay, it's very easy. I don't know about that. Just the previous PT1 exam, the way it was held, in the same fashion it will be held. Just it will be 50 marks. Okay. Now tell me, do you have any confusion regarding any chapters which has been done? If not, then I can simply ask you questions just to see how much you have been studying. I don't want to start anything new today. Let me just ask you questions from reader. Result of your PT1 exam will be given by the school itself, because it has been computed in the computers in the moment you gave the online exam. So it will be conveyed to you by the school. I have not received it, so I cannot tell it to you. Okay, so students, let me ask you a few questions just to see how much you remember. Okay, let me start from, please do not open your book. Chapters which are there in term 1 will be coming. Okay, all the chapters which are there in term 1 will be coming. Now let me start with the main textbook. Nobody should open their books. Let me ask you some haphazard questions. Okay, don't open your book. I'm just going to tell you a statement. You have to tell me who told this to whom. The statement is, we should have look up the e-portal. In the e-portal, the syllabus has been given. Even then, if you can't understand, I'm just telling you the syllabus right now. From your main textbook, chapter number, let me know when the time is over, okay? 11:30 we have started the class, till 12 the class will be there, I think, or 11:50. 2 minutes are left, so I can't ask you much question. Anang should just tell me whatever problems you have, mail it to me, okay? Now, from your main text, what are the chapters? Tsunami is there, geography lesson is there, glimpses of the past is there, Macavity the mystery cat is there, Bipin Chaudhury's lapse of memory, the last bargain, and the summit within. This is from your main textbook, okay? Page 30 of grammar. Yes, let me see what it is. Homework which I had given, number K. Since she is an extrovert, she has many friends. Number 2, there are, you can say, a few buses, or there are many buses that ply on that route. Number 3, I have enough savings to build a house, or much savings to build a house. Number 4, our boss is going on a holiday for a few weeks. Next, our project was much appreciated, or my project was much appreciated. Number 6, there is so much work left to be done. Number 7, is there a pen with you? Okay, then number 8, please pass me the sugar. Number 9, our visitor parked his car properly, or the visitor parked his car properly. Number 10, what? The uses of what, Anangshu? Uses of what? Few, a few, the few, little, a little, that, the, all those things. First of all, today I don't have any more time, so I'm just going to wrap up. You read the chapter properly, Anangshu, read that portion where you are having a doubt. Again, if you have any confusion on any kind of specific problems, you can ask me. Okay, you can ask me in the next class, which I think we are again meeting on Thursday, so you can ask me about it. 7.8, 7 and 8. Okay. Upasana, the syllabus has been given in the e-portal. Just follow the e-portal, you can see whatever syllabus is there, except the writing portion. Writing portion will not come. Okay. Yeah, 7 and 8. Let me see. Yeah, 7. You can say, is there a pen with you? A pen. 8. Please pass me the sugar. Okay. Any other doubts do you have? And if you have written something else, do let me know. Any other problems? If you have, think of the problems. Okay, you are getting one more day time. Thursday we are meeting again. Write down whatever confusion you have. Keep a note of that. The next day, the moment we are meeting, we have 30 minutes or 25 minutes time. During that time, you can ask me. Okay, whoever has a problem. But did you understand the format of the exam? It will be a 50 marks question containing MCQ type questions from inside the syllabus itself. Okay, it will be testing your knowledge about how much you have understood the chapter. Other than that means simple memorization of answers will not help you, because you have to understand the chapters as well. Okay, thank you, students. Supplementary syllabus has also been given in the e-portal. Don't worry about it. Take it from there.